Hello friends, welcome to Technoholic Life. I'm Sunny Mishra and today in this video we are going to see how to install Fortnite on your Galaxy devices. Yes, Epic Games have released Fortnite for the Galaxy devices. I'm going to install on my Galaxy Note 8. So, to install it just go to epicgames.com and choose from where you want to download the Fortnite installer. I'm going to use Samsung, so I can download it from Samsung store. So I will be linking the installer APK and Fortnite APK in the description, so you can download from there and try on your devices. I don't have any non-Galaxy device, so I can't tell you and test it. So let me fast forward the installation process. Now game installed, let's open it. With another 1.88 GB of data we have to download, so let's skip it and fast forward the video. Now the content is optimizing. Yes, Goku, you can see what's going on the screen. So we are on the Fortnite screen, initializing, starting the Fortnite. Let's see. Now loading the Fortnite. Let me skip this. Now patching. I don't have an account. I will create it. I've never played a Fortnite game. I have a PlayStation 4. Let me log in. Skip all this. Now log into the Fortnite. Accept all of things. Yes, I agree. Whatever you want. So let's choose tap anywhere so I can kill enemies without frustration. Okay, confirm. Yeah. Let's play. Let's see how's the gameplay. It's taking time. It's a heavy game. Loading screen again. Let me skip this screen also. So here we are on the gameplay. The game is running smooth. I don't know what to do. I'm playing it first time. What we have to do? I can't see an icon. Okay, we are now on the plane. Okay, it's like PUBG. We have to jump out of the plane. So let me fast forward this also. So here was my video to how to install Fortnite on your Galaxy devices. It's super easy as it is the official way to install Fortnite on your device. If I'll get a chance to port this game on any other Android device, I will be making a video on this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.